Hey guys and girls, this is Snowwie and welcome to Delta Disasters Part 4. Yes, so in Part 3 we have been escaping narrowly on some new incoming tsunamis from there, and we had some other natural disasters hitting the city area as well. And actually, you know, something funny happened. When I ended episode, let's get out of here. When I ended episode 3, I walked away from the computer and I kind of forgot it a bit because I went to the kitchen, and several other disasters struck the city, but they were luckily enough, in my case, not tsunamis. And so I got pretty well unscathed, and the city was still on full speed. And when I came back, I was thinking like, what is happening over here? Look at the money that I suddenly have in my account. And it was all thanks to the lovely little oil facility I have over here. Because look, if you look at this and we look at this, we see like that we have like, you know, we have a nice income on oil, and this went on for a while, and for that reason alone, this money was creeping up. So yeah, so I was surprised by that. So I took advantage of the situation by making a road all around here like that, just, you know, and a connection to this lovely looking intersection. So for more connection, so let's press the space bar and let's continue, because yeah, the disasters will never stop, and so far I have been lucky. And yeah, I've been also thinking about what to do with this train line over here. Now I know it will go to there, to this area. And I also have like some, yeah, commercial correction, some industry over here. So the best way would be actually to have some kind of, yeah, making this disappear, this line, and reappear here. So this area gets freed up, because this is sort of like, I don't know, it's a kind of blocked up a little bit. So I press the spacebar for a hot moment to delete this. This, yes. That's not bad. That's certainly, look at the amount of space we suddenly get over here. Now let's have a look. What the hell is going on with this road? Look, this entire road is completely, it's been shrugged by stuff. Let's remove all that stuff. Sorry for your house, sorry for your road. Sorry for your business. Sorry for your ATM machine if you have one over there. But this has to go, because this is like, whoa. Okay, nothing to do about it. Yeah. Okay. Now to let the exciting go on, I press, you know, play. So anytime a disaster can happen, it makes it a little bit more interesting, you know. Otherwise, you know, I can play in pause mode all the time, but that's no fun, is it? So let's take this road to there. Yeah. Okay, let's take this option. This will be rebuilt. This will be rebuilt. More of this here, more of this there. We also are going to put like some commercial stuff here. I think these guys will like it. I think. I hope. I might hope that they will like it. And maybe even a little office. You know, just an office block there. Yeah. Now let me have a look. Okay, more of this stuff. And one over there. And let's leave this empty. And here. And let me see. Do we keep this empty or not? I don't know. What I do know is that I want a train station over here for this stuff to be exported. So it's over here, that train. So it dives underground from there. Okay, I want this road to be connected. Yes. Okay, so let's remove this Club Alpha a little bit to there. Yeah, thank you. Then connect this road. Ah, yeah. That's not perfect. How we are going to fix that? Like that, like that. And then go up. I want this to be connected to, you know, I don't care, I just go through this building. Here we go, just like that. And then, yeah, they can go from there to there, and then from here we go to there, yes. And if I put like a train, cargo train terminal, we put that straight over here. Yeah. And then from here we can say like we can connect it up to I want it to be connected to both ends. Let me think, how are we going to do it? And we also require the space. A little bit unorthodox, but you know what? It's not that bad. It's certainly not bad at all. Let's see. Let's create more industrial over here near this train station. Also here and here. And let's leave this intact. I'm thinking about this little junction over here. Let's put a roundabout there. A 3-lane roundabout, a little bit smaller than that. How about this? And that road is not perfectly fine. Yeah, it's in a bridge form, I see it already. Okay, so we need this road, this option, down, 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 down. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, let's do some lane math on this thing. So first of all, we do some dedicated lane turns. So I press the control button, control. Here the same, here the same, here the same. We apply some junction restrictions. In this case it means like everybody on the roundabout has priority. Now these are already set as usual, and of course the speed will be brought back to 50 so that oncoming traffic has the ability to get onto the roundabout, but only by driving 40 kilometers per hour and not faster. Yeah, 40, I mean not too fast please. But this is a dead-end road, which is fine. Yeah, so we have a lot of people crossing the street over here. So what kind of building is this? and this. Now what if we delete this, delete this? I want to, what is this? Why can't I delete this building? Okay, let's pause for a hot moment and make sure that nobody is building again here and here, sort of, yeah. And let's take a path. Yeah, path. So far we are having no problems with disasters. I better, you know, keep my mouth shut. Okay, let's say 5 units. Make it 6. 6 from there to there, to there, to there, to there. Come on, to there. Come on. Yeah, to there. Yeah, to there, and then to there, and to there, and to there. Now look at that. What a nice shape, isn't it? Okay, now we need to put this down like that, and this one will be a little bit tricky. Home. Yeah, just as I thought. This, yeah, this one now disappears. Okay. Well, in that case, oh man, give me a break. You go to there, you go to there. Yeah, that's better. Now let's see, people coming from here have to go to here somehow, so let's keep it short. From there to there, from there to there. Sorry about your, you know, your factory, but there's enough space on the map to rebuild it, even in some more safer places than this. Let's see, here we do the same. You go down and you go down. Yeah, that sort of looks like it. Now let me see. This road can still be used, so yeah, this can be used. Oh, you too. Yep. This will be removed, so okay, nothing will be built there. Okay, now we are taking the Move It mod to make this thing into a sort of circle. Now you might think like, circle, yeah, circle. So I want to change this into a, what is this, you know, what I'm selecting here? I have no idea what it is, but let's move it out of the way and just delete it. I've seen those things before, but I have never determined what they actually were. So now we move these also. Let's press play again, so people can drive around. And to show you that my disasters are still on, I show you options. Where are we? Gameplay. Here we are. Use dynamic weather, use random disasters, still full open. So it's pretty weird actually, you know, one episode I have like a zillion disasters, and one episode I nearly don't have anything. Okay, I'm moving these pillars to the edge of the roundabout like that. Now you see what is forming, sort of. I know there is a mod, you know, there's a mod that does this for you automatically. But you know, there goes nothing, you know, above this kind of free forming, especially with the Move It mod. It creates so much more artistic feelings, you know, within this game to do this kind of thing. You know? I try to follow the contours of the roundabout with this path. You know what? Actually, it's working if you look at it. Okay, let's move this tree aside a little bit, and this is okay. Let me see. Yeah, that's okay. They can walk from there to there. I think this is not bad. Now the only thing that requires is like deny pedestrian crossings on the roundabout. So we go to junction restrictions and say like nope. And here also nope, nope, and nope. And also here, if you want to cross, then you can just, you know, use these things. So we select this one. I select also this one, this one, this one, and this one. And yeah, keep it at that. So talking about paths, let me have a look. Paths, just create a simple path from here to there. Little path always helps. Ah, great. These trains are now exporting either in or out, which is nice. So since I forgot my city a little bit, it has been growing, and you can definitely see it. It has been, the buildings have been modernized, the whole situation has been changed, and I finally managed to find out how to deal with the clouds and all the stuff, because I was always messing around with the clouds. So I also, by the way, took the opportunity to go to emergency service, disaster service, and then place a tsunami warning buoy all the way. Where did I put the thing? Ah, here. Tsunami warning buoy at every large piece of water. Here also one, and also here one. Because too often I was surprised by tsunami coming from this side. You know, I still don't have any solid defense for that. I'm still thinking about, you know, what would be the best solution, but so far I have no idea yet. So yeah. Now let's select the traffic manager and do some lane maths, like dedicated turning lanes. Also here, let's just click and control and click. That one already has been done, and here it all already has been done. Yeah, how about here? Yeah, it's fine. Okay, so we have like created this university in the past episode. So what could we create more in this area to, I don't know, to attract more people? Maybe, I don't know, a nice shopping mall or something. I mean, we do have, well, we have this huge road that goes around, but for the time being it will serve no function, but this would be a very nice shopping area, I think. So, let me have a look. First of all, this road. This road, we take this road. Now let me see. And turn on the snap. Yeah. That's the wrong type of road. That's the better type of road. Now what if we create some kind of, I don't know, a sort of shopping center in this area, in the middle we create sort of parking option. Yeah, that's not a bad idea. The only problem is, you know, those shopping malls, they have to be attached to roads. That's always like the difficult question. let me think. If I take this road and we take it up like 20 units. Now let's say that this would be like parking lot. Let's make it bigger. Like that. Well, that would be okay, right? And then if we select, if we put a road around it, and then we put like these malls are also around it. I'm thinking. First of all, I need to extend this road a little bit further. Yeah. Now let's check out those malls. By the way, first of all, we select the mall. Oh, okay. This shows all the malls. The Posh Mall. How big is that thing? Okay, let me have a look. So if I create like a road that goes very close by this parking lot, can I put it, you know, a quarter to the left? Like this, but then the other way around? Ooh, that's very tight. A tsunami with an intensity of 6.9 is about to happen. Oh, here we go again. Oh, here we go again. Let me have a look. And of course it's coming from that direction. Again, from that direction. Okay, this time I'm not going to play. This time it's like this time it's war. Where are these canals? Canals here. These are the deepest one, but this time, normal wise, I would always go from here to here, but this time I'm taking it a lot further. From here, bombs, all the way to there. Yeah. And also I take more space from there, and I make sure it does not connect with the river, so it does not overflow. Okay, you there, and you there. Okay. Now let's get the water pumps again. You know, let's pause this game for a moment. I mean, I don't know why, but everything looks so dark. For some reason, ambient. Yeah, a little bit more light. It's so dark. That's better. Well, here we go again. Round number 2, but this time a little bit more protection. Nah. I just hope.
Of a tsunami approaching the area. Residents should avoid roads and waterfronts.
Yeah, but this time it's a little bit better.
Warning of a tsunami approaching the area. Residents should avoid roads and waterfronts.
So that Delta Commission was created, and a plan was drew up, and we already had like the closure dike in the north of the Netherlands, which saved a lot of people. Eventually in the northern part here of the Netherlands, because that dike was already built in the 20s. But Yeah, in the southern part they required a lot of extra dikes and dams and you name it. And the Oosterscheldekering is the most famous one. It is even listed as one of the world's greatest wonders. So yeah, because of its size and technical how they put it together. I mean, it's like a marvelous piece of engineering. Well, I think I played also my Dutch part a little bit around here this time. Well, still a little bit of water will come through, and we have like also a
tornado has touched down in the area. Seek shelter immediately.
Tornado in the neighborhood, okay.
Tsunami approaching the area. Residents should avoid roads and waterfronts.
But for the time being, yeah, there is some water coming in from there.
Tsunami approaching the area. Residents should
But that
avoid
will
roads
flow
and
also in the river here. So yeah, I think this was like a nice temporary solution so far. Not bad. Very close by the pumps, by the way. Whoa. Actually very close by those pumps. So far the tsunamis are only coming from this side. They're never coming from this side. Okay, that petered out. That's nice. And this will only cause a local flooding. So I would say let's turn on one of these. That's enough. Will they send out trucks? Or not? Yep, they send out some trucks. So I was busy here. I wanted to build some some grand mall thing, and I just came to the conclusion that I think it is a little bit too small. This road needs to be. Thank you. Can I go back? Thank you. This parking lot needs to be a little bit further to the right. Okay, let's do that. Let's see, it was this one, right? Yeah, okay. Let's bulldoze this away, take this, and then let's put it all the way to... Yeah, to there. Okay. Now what we need is like a very simple road like this. The question is now... how are we going to do it? I think from here we go to there, then to there, there, and then there, like that. Okay, now if we go back to the grand, this one, the post mall, yeah, and we put the post mall right here. Right there, yeah. And we put the Grand Mall directly next to it, like that. Right, now we take that same kind of road again, which is this one. And we take it around. And it's a little bit too... This is like a distance of 2. And yeah, that's the exact distance. And I want to do exactly the same here, if it's possible. So from here to there to there. Wow, this is kind of interesting. So what do we have more? More stores, like we have the Mall of Moderation. We can put that on the other side. We put that here. Mall Center. Okay, yeah, I know that one. And do we have any other malls? Magna Plaza, Rico, high density commercial. Ornate post office, converted shopping classroom. Okay, so it requires high density commercial. Okay, let's pause it for a moment. High density commercial. Okay, so let's do that here, and then go to here. And where's that building? Here? No. Here. Yeah. Oh, look at that. Wow. It sticks a little bit not in favor with the Mall of Moderation, if you ask me. I think it's better to put it there. Can we put it there? We cannot put it there? Darn it. I have to delete it. Okay, we'll put it again. Yeah, right there. Yeah, not bad. Tsunami wave detected. More tsunamis? Yeah, they are causing a little bit of flooding inland here and there. Also here. Yeah, eventually that will it will go away. So let me get back to this area. We still need something here. Now let me have a look. What is there something we still don't have? You know, mall wise. No. Maybe, let me see, something with shopping. Shopping. These buildings are like also Rico, high density commercial, 1x2. How big are those? They do not fit so well here, you know, with this. How about this? Ploppable, unique building, 1970, modular. Yeah, I think it's not bad. The only thing that can be done is, you know, let's move it a little bit aside, you know, with some room between it. Okay, now guys, you know what needs to be done, and I put it on the pause mode for a moment, because when I built this parking lot, I don't want to be disturbed by these you know, these issues all the time. Let's see, first of all we pull this all the way to there so it makes contact. Right now let's put in the parking lot, shall we? Well, what do you guys think? That's a nice looking mall of moderation, you know, with all kind of shops around, and the only thing that we need to do is ban the parking options over here, here and here, so peeps are really only parking on the designated parking spaces and not on the main roads. Let me see. Yeah. So let me see. We have like traffic lights. Okay, so we give way signs, dedicated turning lanes. How about here? This is also basically a yeah. So let's make it like this. Also, let's take this option, that option, and that option. Here we do the same from there to there to there to there. Now we also don't have yet any public transport, but it will come sooner or later. So let's see, that is going nowhere so far. Let me check this out. Okay, you and you. And also you and you. Now, was there again some form of disaster coming? I don't know. There's still what is warning tsunami wave detected. Speed this up a little bit. You know, this water surface is pretty yeah, weird looking, if you ask me. It's a little bit yeah. What is that? Dot. What? Okay, it's an underfly. It's like also a UFO, an underflying, unidentified underwater flying object. And again, we have like this tsunami coming in. Oh my gosh, it never ends, you know. Better open up the other one, pumping service. Where is it? Here as well, so they can do their job also. It's always this river, you know. The water will just go around it, go through the river, and always, yeah, I have to think about maybe create some kind of barrier or something, you know, alongside this river, or maybe even, I don't know, maybe even relay this river a little bit away from the city. I mean, I have the money. I mean, we are earning big time, you know, with our stuff around here. There's an empty building. You go away. At least, let me check this out. Yeah, it still does. I mean, it's not like a mega box. I mean, it's just a small oil facility, but you know, it works, and that is the main reason. And so far, this area has not been affected. It's also kind of out of the way of, you know, any tsunamis that is coming in will be deflected by this hump, unless it's coming from this side, but so far I have never thought about that. So yeah, well, this water will eventually dissipate, but yeah, it's not a nice thing, you know, especially in this area. You can definitely see that buildings are getting destroyed. Yeah. That strange weed that is growing everywhere. Yeah, tsunami has struck the city. Oh yeah, tsunami has struck the city. Yeah, we have like now this nice shopping mall. People are definitely coming here. We are seeing them. So yeah. It's a pity those clouds are not visible right now because of the rain.
Tsunami approaching the area. Residents should avoid roads and
Can I stop the rain for a moment? Weather disable. So how about now? Yeah, those are the clouds I'm talking about. Yeah, now look at that. I mean, this thing looks very nice, you know, in the length of the parking lot. I mean, I really love it. Okay, guys, I hope that you love this too, and with this disaster stuff, etc. And I hope to see you soon back in part 5. And I have no idea yet what we are going to do in part 5. I have to think about something yet. Probably something will, you know, occur to my mind in a moment. But yeah, so far it's doing pretty well. Okay guys, so thank you for watching, and I will see you in part 5. See you. Bye bye.